everyone, it's Emma again. So now we are going to prepare roasted chicken. So the chicken we are going to roast, it's a chicken breast. So we are going to roast chicken breast, and of course we have to combine with the variety of ingredients we have here. Now our chicken, it's already deboned. We are going just to trim. Then we make them ready to go in the oven. So now here we have a chicken breast, very big one. We have a chicken breast. We're going to trim it to make them nicely. Then we roast them. And try to remove any bones. And the extra fats. You see? Ready? After trimming of chicken breast, then I'm going to marinate it. So marinating it, so here I have olive oil, I have a salt, and I have chopped parsley, chopped garlic, chopped onion, and turmeric powder. So just pour turmeric, then chopped garlic, chopped onion, oil, white pepper, and salt. So I marinate it well. So I have to massage it. Then I add fresh herbs, parsley. So after making marination of chicken breast, then I am going to brown it from griller. After browning it from griller, I'm going to transfer in the oven. So just put some little bit of oil. Then I add the chicken breast. So after browning the chicken breast, so now I'm going to transfer it to the oven. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grease tray with the olive oil. Then I press chicken breast nicely. Then I pour oil on top, olive oil on top. Then I transfer my chicken to the oven. Okay. So my chicken is ready. So you can see the juice, it's clear. That is an indication that it's already cooked. So if you see the juice coming out, it's clear, means it's already cooked. So now we are going to serve our chicken. So let me serve it with the penne. I can just add some herbs around. So my chicken is ready. It can be served with the many accompaniments such as starches, vegetables, and also it can be served as ordinary vegetables. I thank you for taking your time. So let's meet for the next lesson.